Hi, my name's Phil Wildman from SY Electronics. We've got a new product I'd like to just show you quickly. We're famous for our slim extenders, HDBaseT extenders. Our new range is the Slim 70 Pro. Now this has got many features that you won't find in other products. We have two RS-232 connections. We have on our transmitter a built-in audio de-embedder. We have other features built into this unit which you can interrogate information using RS-232. So we can monitor the temperature of the transmitter, separately the temperature of the receiver. We can hot plug detect toggle, so we can turn off the 5 volts, turn it back on again, which will save you unplugging the HDMI cable from the unit just to reclock the HDMI signal. We've got other features built in. For instance, you can monitor the length of the cable connected between the transmitter and the receiver. We can monitor the temperature of the unit. We can get the unit to send us an alert if the temperature reaches a predefined level. On top of that, we can set the unit so that it will turn the unit off or shut the unit down if the temperature reaches too high a level. We have two-way IR out and IR back in. We can power the unit using our intelligent POC system, so we can power the system from either the transmitter or the receiver. You can choose which. On top of that, it won't send voltage out to a projector, for instance, that has a built-in HDBaseT receiver. This will know, it will talk to the other unit and it will know whether it wants to send the power or not. That's some of the main features of the Slim 70 Pro. You can find out more information from our office on our website is sy.co.uk. We're in Manchester, UK. Give us a call, come and see our products.